Hey, top of the morning to you. This is Rose Price, a realtor with Landmark Real Estate here in Champaign-Urbana. And today I thought maybe we would just take a little walk of downtown Champaign. So I'll give you a few seconds to get your tinnies on and we'll get started. So hope you enjoy it. So we're going to start out with the United States Post Office in Champaign, downtown Champaign. This is one of two post offices that we have downtown. This is Sierra Ventures, a brand new apartment complex of 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. I think the starting rent, I believe, starts around $800. All right, we're coming up upon Sticky Rice. This is a really great place to go to get some great soup. I think you'll really enjoy it. They also have an outdoor patio. So here's an empty lot downtown, and it's going to be set up for a brand new hotel. This will be the second hotel for downtown Champaign, and they should be starting that sometime soon. We're coming up upon the Orpheum, the Children's Science Museum. This is a really cool place. They have a lot of activities for children here, and it's just so awesome. This whole parking spot place right here is probably going to be turned in maybe within the next year or so as a green plaza where we can have bands and sitting and walking and all kinds of fun things for activities for families and children. So this is at the side of the Orpheum Museum here. It's a fun place for the kids to play when they're here. Now we're going to walk along here. We've got a new salon and spa. That's the Allure. And the collectible pour is a great little place for beverages, particularly beer. Okay. And then also along here is Myers Drapery. They've been here for many years. So cool little area. You need to come down and get yourself a good beer. So this is the M2 building. We have a lot of condos on the top floors, top 4 floors. A lot of businesses, and it's also right across from what we call M1. The buildings look similar, but on this building we have about a 600-car parking garage at the north end of the building. So we're moving along down the sidewalk, and we're going to be coming up to Confusion. This is a wonderful place for sushi and steak. The U of I kids like to come here on Mondays because it's dollar night sushi. Here's a good spot. However, they are going to be moving soon, just around the corner in the old PNC Bank spot. We'll show that to you at a later time. So we're in front of Big Grove Tavern. This is a restaurant in my building, and just a lot of fun to be able to come down here. A lot of outdoor seating, and just a wonderful building. We've got condos and offices here besides a restaurant, Big Grove. So this is the Hyatt Hotel. I think it's about 5 stories tall in rooms and about 4 levels of parking. Right downtown at the corner of Church and Neal. Right across the street is Guido's, one of my favorite little pubs. You can see they have some nice outdoor seating over here. There we go, that's a little bit better picture. So, and a very cool clock. It's 4:45, it's getting close to cocktail time. So Punch is a little bar that's off of the hotel here at Hyatt. Nice little place to stop while you're visiting here in Champaign. Then we're coming past Watson's Chicken, Cluck Cluck. And if you like chicken, here's another good spot to stop and to eat outside. Today's a great day. Everybody's eating outside. Coming up next is Hamilton Walkers. They're not open yet. We still have some places that are not totally open due to the COVID-19. Well, I guess they are open. There they are. Somebody sitting outside. What do I know? You know, trying to do these walking tours and not get killed walking across the street is kind of important. But here we have a really old Jane Addams bookstore. Really cool. Several floors where you can go and get some wonderful old books. My favorite place, Nando's. It's an Italian restaurant. A little on the pricey side, but hey, it's worth it. I'm going to keep walking on down here. You can see it gets a little colorful here. We're going to be coming into an alley coming up here, which is on a good day. In the evening, this whole space would be totally full. I don't know, I hope you could see all the way back there. Awesome seating area and a lot of fun that happens there. Then we have Hank's. Hank's is relatively new to downtown, another nice little restaurant. Alright, here we are at the Blind Pig Brewery. Basically all beer, but sometimes a little wine. In the back of this building is an outdoor patio that many people come to starting about 4 o'clock every day. And then there's the famous little Aroma Cafe. Just a darling little cafe for coffee and pastries. Then we have Picara, another place for a lot of nice pastries here. Good bakery, wonderful bakery. And then we have Circles, which is a vintage clothing store, and it's got a lot of modern stuff in it too. All cool. This is a street view of downtown Champaign on the sidewalk, right here in front of Hank's table. Alright, this is a better shot of Hamilton's Walkers. This is a really good place. You can get some nice bread and wine there. Good place to eat. Okay, we're in the alley here. Cowboy Monkeys. I've spent many times in Cowboy Monkey dancing and having some nice beverages. A lot of fun. Then we have our very own specialty stamp and coin collection shop. That reminds me, I need to get my stuff in there and let them take a look at it. So this is the Blind Pig Patio. Really cool place. See that pig over there? Well, that's what it's all about, the pig. Good place to come and get a brew. You'll enjoy it. Okay, Farron's is a wonderful little burger place. I mean, big burgers. They got a lot of nice outdoor seating. So, good place to come for burgers and fries and all that good stuff. And there's Sam's Cafe. That cafe has been here for eternity. You want a good breakfast, you come here. Let's see, what do we got coming up here? We've got a little coffee shop coming up here. And this is a good stop for you. See if I can get over here and around here and you see it a little bit better. Cafe Coffee. Good place to stop and have a good coffee and a biscuit. Okay. Coming along the side of Esquire right now, which is downtown. This is one of my favorite places to be. And right across the street is the City Hall building. That's a great building to go to. Don't want to go there and have to pay any fines, so. Now I'm still right here by the Esquire. We got an interesting thing here. I want you to see it. This is our most photogenic personality here, Mr. Eggwarts. Isn't he fun? So this is Robert's Jewelry. Yeah, a lot of nice jewelry here. Been here for a long, long time. And right next to it is the Seven Saints restaurant. Good place to get sliders. When I turn the corner, you'll see their outdoor patio. But in the meantime, let's take a big shot at the train and bus station here, right downtown Champaign. It's about 5 o'clock now, so we've got a lot of traffic going on. So this is Seven Saints patio. Nice little cool patio. and I'm blocking the way. This guy wants to get in. Okay, we're at Poor Brothers right now. Happy hour hasn't started yet, but here's some of their play equipment that they have. So here's some more places here. Gold Rush, that's a bar. You'll see a lot of tents downtown right now for outdoor seating, since we are in still phase 3 of COVID-19 and we can't seat anybody inside of the restaurants. So directly across the street is the Pilates Center. I have a friend that owned that, and not sure if she still does, but it's a wonderful place. Took a lot of Pilates lessons there myself until she kicked me out. I won't tell you that story, but she did. Okay. Then comes up Kessler Optical. So if you need some glasses, here's a wonderful place to go as well. So Barrel House 34 is another bar, strictly beer. Good place to go. They have outdoor seating. I think they have an upper deck down. You can just see the edge of it down there. This is the old bank you see here. This is going to become the new Confusion building for sushi. They're moving over to this beautiful large building. There's a lot of offices in there and a lot of attorneys up on those upper floors. But this is going to be a fun place to be when she gets it all done. So this is the Joseph Kuhn building. They have been in business for probably, I don't know how many years, but probably past 30. Now this is a men's clothing store. They have some beautiful, beautiful clothes there. And the only drum shop we have in town is right here on the corner. This is the News Gazette building. No longer to be the News Gazette building. It's a local paper. They're moving elsewhere in town, and somebody has bought this building. We don't know for sure who it is, but we're looking forward to a new people there. Another shot of the streets downtown. So this is Austin Sportswear, primarily clothing and sport apparel for dancing, for kids that do lessons and that kind of thing. All right, so that wraps up the walking tour of downtown Champaign. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you like this walking tour, stay tuned to the next one I have. That's going to be downtown Urbana walking tour. So hope to see you soon. Stay in touch. Hit my subscribe button. I'd be thankful for that. And have a powerful day.